Hey friends! A reliable car jack is essential for safely lifting your vehicle during emergency tire changes or routine maintenance. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car jacks in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Tonda car jack. This dependable 2-ton floor jack is meticulously crafted for the average driver who needs efficiency and safety during routine automotive upkeep. It offers a lifting range spanning from 4.9 inches to 11.8 inches, making it perfectly suitable for a wide variety of passenger vehicles. One of its standout features is the integrated bypass valve, which proactively prevents overloading, ensuring the device remains stable and safe under heavy pressure. The unit is constructed from high-strength steel with a rust-resistant coating that significantly extends its service life in damp garage environments. You will find it remarkably easy to position thanks to the smooth-rolling steel casters and 360-degree swivel wheels. Furthermore, the built-in carrying handle makes it highly portable for quick roadside assistance or easy storage on a shelf in your workshop. Next up, our second product, the DNA motoring car jack. If you are searching for speed and heavy-duty performance, this hydraulic trolley jack is a fantastic addition to any home workshop or professional setting. Capable of lifting up to 4,000 pounds, it covers a height range of 5.1 to 13 inches with remarkable stability provided by its oversized saddle design. The chassis is built from reinforced steel to offer maximum durability while maintaining a weight that is easy to manage on its swivel casters. Safety remains a primary concern, so the engineers included a built-in release valve that offers essential protection against hydraulic overloading. Every unit undergoes rigorous testing by specialists to ensure it meets the highest standards for long-term reliability and vertical lifting efficiency. This tool is perfect for swift tire swaps or basic maintenance tasks where you need a fast and trustworthy hydraulic lift that won't let you down. Coming in at number 3, the Volkswagen car jack. This innovative 2-in-1 scissor lift is uniquely designed to cater to both standard vehicles and specialized electric cars like Tesla Models 3, Y, S, and X. With a beefy load capacity of 2.5 tons, it provides a versatile lifting range between 5.3 and 15.3 inches for various SUVs and sedans. The kit stands out by including Tesla-specific jack pads along with universal adapters to prevent any undercarriage damage during the lifting process. Constructed from high-strength cold-rolled steel, the enlarged base plate offers superior stability on uneven surfaces compared to standard scissor jacks. You also receive a full emergency bundle including a ratchet wrench, lug wrench, sockets, and protective gloves, all stored in a compact manner. This set is a reliable companion for modern drivers who want a portable yet heavy-duty lifting solution for any unforeseen roadside tire issues or light repairs. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Gurjanon car jack. This comprehensive 2-ton scissor lift kit is a must-have for drivers who want a complete emergency solution tucked away in their trunk. It boasts a wide lifting span of 4.33 to 15.75 inches, ensuring it can handle low-profile cars or high-clearance SUVs with equal ease. The jack itself is forged from corrosion-resistant materials, making it a dependable choice regardless of the weather conditions you might face on the road. What makes this kit special is the inclusion of essential extras like a dual-sized lug wrench, a tire pressure gauge, and gloves to keep your hands clean. The ergonomic ratchet wrench design allows for maximum leverage, making the lifting process smooth even for those with limited mechanical experience. Everything fits neatly into a durable storage bag, keeping your tools organized and ready for the next unexpected flat tire scenario or maintenance task. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Jack Boss car jack. For those who demand the pinnacle of garage performance, this 3-ton floor jack combines the lightweight benefits of aluminum with the immense strength of welded steel. Its dual-piston hydraulic system is specifically engineered for rapid lifting, allowing you to reach your desired height with significantly fewer pumps. The low-profile architecture is a game-changer for owners of sports cars or modified vehicles with minimal ground clearance, yet it extends all the way to 18 and 5/16 inches. Safety is paramount, as this model is professionally tested to meet strict ANSI and ASME standards, featuring a large rubber saddle to protect your vehicle's frame. The smooth-rolling steel casters and rear swivel wheels make maneuvering this 6,600-pound capacity beast effortless across any workshop floor. With a 2-piece handle and a 1-year warranty, it provides the ultimate blend of power, precision, and reliable professional-grade safety for your automotive projects. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.